So this node's very simple. It's the AI voice generator. And all it's going to do is just take the text that you give it, and it's going to turn that into audio, and somebody will be reading it. And so we have two systems here. If we go to the settings, we have Play.ht, and we also have 11labs.io. And they both have different settings here. And to explain these super briefly, medium is just going to be the sound quality, or the quality, and right now the default is medium. The speed is just kind of how fast you're going to be talking. Output format is what file you want it to be. And you can download this audio later. And then this is just going to have to do with the randomization of how the person sounds. But you don't really need to touch that many things unless you want to edit the format, but the default should be suitable enough. And same with 11 labs. You're going to be not wanting to change a ton of this. You can move this up and down if you're feeling like the style, or though this is just going to affect how the person's going to talk. And so do you want people that have got lots of whatever I'm doing, pauses, and they're raising their voice and lowering their voice? That's what these are going to do. So stability is going to how they're going to change their voice. Similarity boost is just, are they going to stay the same? And then style is just going to kind of reflect both of those two. It's going to just make a person much more flamboyant. They're going to change the way that they talk often, which is more human. So maybe that's what you want. But I can run it in a flow right here. I'm going to show you an example. I'm creating a short story with this text generator, and it's going to get fed into this audio generator. Now, the voice generator takes a little bit longer to run than a different node. So this text generator ran in about a couple seconds, but this takes a little bit longer. And so I'm going to pause it just for now and just show you. It probably takes 30 to 40 seconds, but I don't want to have you watch that whole thing. So it took about 30 seconds. I realized I didn't even have this node connected, so I had to reset it. But here is the output for the audio. You can't hear it through my video right now, but it's playing audio on my end. Just trust me. No, it works. And that's pretty much it for the voice generator. And the last thing is here, you can be able to change the type of voice you want, and you can mess around and play with it. 11 Labs has a lot more voices than Play.ht that you can choose from. And as well, you can be able to clone your own voice. And that's for more of our premium users. If you're using the free version, you can't clone your voice. That's something that's reserved because it's a little bit more expensive when we're connecting it to the API. But you can do it, and these are some of the ones that I've made here. So those are the options with the voice generator.